Meaning of effectiveness.
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 Effectiveness. Effectiveness refers to the ability to produce a desired outcome or result. It is a measure of how well something achieves its intended purpose. The result of effectiveness can be seen in various forms, such as increased productivity, improved customer satisfaction, higher profits, or better performance. In essence, effectiveness is about achieving goals and objectives efficiently and with precision. It is an essential component of any successful organization, business, or individual, as it ensures that efforts are directed towards achieving meaningful results and making a positive impact.